Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Sorento 2003 to 2009? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. In the Kia Sorento 2003 to 2006, the engine compartment fuse box safeguards essential systems under the hood, including the ECU, ABS, headlights, cooling fans, and fuel system. It ensures proper power distribution and protection for critical engine and safety-related components. In the 2004 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the engine compartment fuse box protects vital systems such as the ECU, ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and fuel system. In the Kia Sorento 2007 to 2009, the engine compartment fuse box provides protection for critical components like the ECU, ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and fuel delivery systems. In the 2008 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the engine compartment fuse box safeguards crucial systems such as the ECU, ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and fuel system. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Kia Sorento 2003 to 2006, the passenger compartment fuse box is located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side, behind a panel. For the 2004 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the passenger compartment fuse box is positioned under the dashboard on the right-hand driver's side. It's behind a small access panel and controls key in cabin. In the Kia Sorento 2007 to 2009, the passenger compartment fuse box manages and protects circuits for in-cabin features like power windows, interior lights, audio system, and other electrical accessories. In the Kia Sorento 2008 RHD UK model, the passenger compartment fuse box protects and controls key in-cabin electrical functions such as the audio system, interior lighting, power windows, and mirrors. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, Low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.